Good day. It is Successful Sunday. And what I want to talk about today is meditation. And I've done meditation videos in the past, as some of you may know. But today I want to talk about it from a perspective of strength, because meditation does give us the strength that we need to continue on. And some people call it meditation, some people call it prayer, and some people do both. So whatever it is that gives you that strength and power that you need to continue on despite circumstances or conditions, despite the adversaries in your life, use that strength that is within you to manifest the things that you need and desire and deserve in this lifetime. Because we all have the ability to be healthy, to be wealthy, to be wise, and to be strong. And strength is a power that if we utilize it, we can basically have anything that we want. And it is all within us to achieve any goals that we have, and to have anything that we desire, to even have anyone that we desire. So find that strength within you. Spend at least 15 minutes a day meditating or praying so that you can be clear and you can be focused, and your visions can come reality. Especially if you have a vision board, anything that you put on your vision board you can have. So if it's that house, if it's that car, if it's that relationship, if it's, abundance and prosperity, you can have all of those things with the right mindset. And the right mindset helps us, again, to achieve our goals and to live the type of life that we want to live. So I empower you to use your power and your strength to have the things that you want, deserve, and desire. And this day going forward, spend that 15 minutes empowering yourself and finding the strength that you need to go on every day despite adversity, and to have the type of life that you want. Have a good day, everybody. Mwah.